Okay guys, well, this is the finishing of my pour I did. Instead of using a pouring medium, I actually used glue in place of. I will say that you see kind of those mild bumps in there. I don't have a heat gun, and so your heat gun's gonna get some of those bubbles out. My heat gun will be here in a couple days, however. So I wanted to try out the glue. I saw someone else had done that, and I mean, the effects are the same. There are no cells, but again, I didn't use any type of heat, so yeah. So what I did was used a Elmer's glue mixed with paint and did it to the consistency as you would a medium pour, and I'm sure I can get someone I know to hang this up. Hopefully I can get those, hopefully once I gloss spray over this, those bumps won't be as noticeable. We'll see. All right.